Hello, hello, hello. My name is Ruti. This is Bam Bam. We're saying hi from Costa Rica on this beautiful day. And today we're going to do 10 minutes of lower back and just kind of like mobility and adding in a little bit of core. So this is suitable for absolute beginners. Let's have a little bit of my cacao. And my intention today is that I inspire you to start to exercise. So this is day 10. Yeah, this is day 10. So if you want to look at the other videos, you can just either go onto my Facebook or onto my Instagram, and you'll be able to see all the others that I've done over the last 10 days. And so just going to wait just a couple of seconds. And apologies, because I did say I was going to come on at 10, and I'm not. I'm a little bit later. So apologies for that. This is Costa Rica, and so we are very pura vida in Costa Rica, and we kind of go with the flow. And also, if there's anything that you want to know, any questions that you have, then always please feel free to reach out, ask me any questions. And if you're watching this video for the first time and I'm inspiring you, then please let me know, because at the moment I know that I'm inspiring 29 people and I want to get it to 100. But I'm only going to know if I'm inspiring you if you let me know by giving me some love with the hearts or just writing in the comments, I'm inspired. You can do that. So anyway, I'm going to start. Just going to move this shoe out the way. And we're actually going to start on our hands and knees today. And we're going to go into a cat stretch. So we're going to have our hands shoulder width apart. And we're going to have our knees directly underneath our hips. And what we're going to do is we're going to have the fingers spread. And we're just going to start off by just arching the back, dropping the head down. And then from here, you're just going to stick the tailbone out. Breathing, arching up through the back. And then just sticking the tailbone out. And you're just going to do this in a very, very relaxed way. Going to be doing approximately like 10 of these. Let me just start the stopwatch for a second. That would be helpful, right, if I started with the stopwatch. Here we go. So just gently mobilizing the spine. And again, just arching up. And if you notice my toes are flat on the floor, and if you have hyperextended elbows, which means they kind of like twizzle around like that, you want to have the inside of your arm pointing inwards. Honey, you're in the waves. I can't do it. She likes snogging, my dog. She likes snogging. Honey, you're going to have to move over a little bit, okay? We're doing the exercises. I'm trying to be professional here, okay? All right, let's do, I've lost count, so let's do a couple more. You got me in my eye. You got me in my eye. Okay. Honey, so let's go over here. Let's bring you over here. Over here. Over here. Let's sit, you sit down there. We know that's not going to work, right? That's it. Good girl. Yeah. One more. Good. Lovely. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to basically take your hips to one side and then your hips to the other. Hips to one side and hips to the other. So we're just kind of doing like a tail wagging. Imagine if you had a tail, you'd be wagging it. Tail one way, And also in this position, you can put your tongue on the roof of your mouth. That helps to stabilize your neck flexors. Good. And one way. And the other. Okay, let's do 2 more. And 1 more. Great. And then what we're going to do is, just make sure I'm not sitting on Bam Bam. We're just going to stretch back, bring the arms out in front, and bring the head down. Just remembering to breathe in this exercise, in this position. Does anybody else have a dog that likes to get this close when they're exercising? I know. I'm not going to bring my head right down because, oh, there we go. There we go. And then you're just going to come up and you're just going to take the knees apart just a little bit. And then you're going to sit back down again. Just allowing everything to relax. I can hear a truck coming, so you're not going to be able to hear me for a couple of minutes. Or maybe a minute. Okay. And then from here, we're going to roll over onto our back. Oops, someone's just joined. Let me see who it is. Super excited. Annette! We've got Annette. We've got the Sam Young joined. Welcome, welcome. Who've we got on Facebook? I don't know. I can't see on Facebook. Hang on a minute. Bear with me a second. Thank you for joining. I think we've got Annette joined twice actually. Annette, you joined on 2 platforms. Double the workout. All right. So now we're just going to come back onto the mat. And as I say, today it's just a very gentle day. It's just a back and mobility day. And we're going to have our legs extended. And we're just going to bring one knee into the chest. And then allow that knee to go down. And then we're going to bring the other knee into the chest. So we're just bringing one knee in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Just going to do 10 on each leg. Just remember to take this at your own pace. Nice and gently. Good. Don't know if you can hear the birds in the background. Lovely, 1 more on each leg. Here we go. And then the other leg. Fabulous. And then, this is just going to mobilize like the lower lumbar. Lumbar? Lumbar. I think I just made up a word there. Lumbar. No, that word definitely doesn't exist. The lower lumbar muscles. Okay, so you're going to have your knees like this and you're going to bring them together and you're going to bring your feet together. And then you're literally keeping your knees and feet together. You're just going to be rocking. Now I'm going to show you this way round so you can see me from this angle as well. So I'm just allowing the knees to just rock. And it's a very, very small movement, okay? It's a very, very small movement. And you keep the knees together. You can put your hands on your hips here. And it's just gently mobilizing the lumbar spine. Super gently. And we're going to do this for like a minute or so. So if you ever have like any back tightness, or you're getting like little spasmy things in your back, or it just doesn't feel great, this is a great little movement that you can do. And you want to keep it gentle, okay? You don't want to be like taking the legs out a really long way. It's just a very, very gentle movement. And the feet stay flat and the knees stay together. Excellent. Kind of feeling a bit sleepy now. I don't know if anyone else is. I feel like I could actually just like go into a complete snooze. Okay, here we go. I'm going to stay awake though, because we've got a couple more exercises to do. Okay, lovely. And then we're going to extend one leg out. Now, imagine that you're pushing forwards in the middle of the knee. This exercise is called Don Tigny, by a very famous guy called Don Tigny, who invented this exercise to help to mobilize the lower part and the hip. So my left leg that's extended is completely relaxed. And then my right knee, what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically push through my right knee. Now it's not a big movement, but if you put your hands here on your hip bones, as you push that right knee forwards, you'll feel that your body does this. So you're just going to hold that for a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then release. And again, just pushing the leg forwards, the knee forwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. And again, pushing forwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. And again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. And one more time, pushing forwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. And then you're just going to take that leg out. Just hold that position, arms down by the side with your palms up. We're just going to take a few breaths in this position. So we're going to breathe in through the nose and breathing out through the mouth. Breathing in through the nose, breathing out through the mouth, and breathing in through the nose, and breathing out through the mouth. Excellent. So we're now going to go on to the other leg. So we're now going to have our left knee bent and our right leg straight. And we're going to imagine that we're pushing through the middle of the right knee. So kind of this position here. So it's a gentle mobilization. And you can put your hands on your hip bones. And we're going to basically push that knee forwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. And again, pushing forwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Pushing forwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. 2 more times, pushing forwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. One more time, pushing forwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Excellent. And then you're just going to bend the knees into your chest. And you're just going to circle the knees one way. And then you're going to circle the knees the other way. And then allow the knees to come down. And then we're going to do a little pelvic tilt. So I'm just going to show you this standing so you know what I mean. So if you imagine you're lying down with your knees bent, what you're going to do is you're going to basically tilt the pelvis forwards And that's going to slightly flatten out the lumbar spine. And then you're going to release. And you'll get like a little gap, like between your back and the mat. So you're going to tuck the pelvis under and release. You're going to tuck the pelvis under and release. Okay, I'm going to go down to the mat. So as you can see, I've got quite a lordotic curve, right? So I can actually get my hand underneath here. So what I'm going to do is, if you imagine that you're kind of squishing down, I'm going to move my arms out the way so you can see what I'm doing. You're going to kind of squish down, and you'll notice that this automatically kind of brings your belly button in towards your spine. And then you're going to release. I'm going to move my arms out the way again. So I'm going to squeeze under and release. I'm going to tuck under, good, and release. I'm going to tuck under. And it's quite good to breathe out with this one as you're squishing down to the ground and release. We breathe in here, and then we breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. 2 more. Breathe in, breathe out. 1 more. Breathing in and breathing out. Excellent. And then you're just going to finish off by bringing your knees into your chest. And then rolling yourself up to a seated position. Giving yourself a high five. Fantastic. Congratulations. Just going to see who's there. Ooh, we've got Laurides joined. Hi. And we've got Sharon joined. Well, welcome, welcome, welcome. So that's it for today. Now tomorrow, which is Friday, I won't be able to go live at 10 a.m. because here in Dominical we have a feria, and I'll be at the feria with all my crystal jewelry and my feathers and stuff. So I will be doing a live like at 2 o'clock in the afternoon Costa Rica time, which is 9 p.m. UK time. So you UK peeps, you're gonna miss it unless I'm super organized tomorrow at 4 a.m. in the morning, which is when I get up. And if I'm super organized at 4 a.m. in the morning, I will do it early, but I'm not going to promise that one. So anyway, thank you so much for joining. And if you want to be notified when I go live, then if you just press the notification little thing at the bottom, so then it will notify you when I'm going live. If you have any questions about perimenopause, menopause, working out, anything like that, please feel free to write a message in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this workout, then please let me know by also writing in the comments. And please feel free to share this video with people that you think that it might benefit. Anyway, I'm going to say goodbye-bye from me and bye-bye from Bam Bam, who's very serious today. I mean, look, she's super serious. And thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!